Alright, 2 items just came in and I am excited to share these 2 items with you. Came in through Amazon in this little package here. I actually bought these things this morning and they got here as soon as I got home from work. So, can you guys guess what these 2 items are? They are OSMO Pocket 3 accessories, yeah! The first accessory I bought for my Pocket 3 is this right here. The OSMO Pocket 3. It's a space stand. Camera base. Again, I bought this because I think it's going to help out when I'm filming. Because one, if you guys don't already know, the Pocket 3 has got these rounded edges. I mean, you can stand it on the bottom, on its bottom, but if somebody tips the table or wind blows, look how it's shaking like that. It's just rocking back and forth. So that's why I bought this. And now I'm gonna open it so that way you guys can check it out. All right, so let's get to unboxing. Here is the base. It's made out of rubber, pretty flexible. It's got a charging hole right there. Can you guys see that? So when you are using the smaller thing here, the tripod accessory, you put that on there and you can charge your camera. I'm really using this one because I want to use extra battery. So the way it's going to work, you can, since there's no charging port there, you can just pretty much use it the way you want. Go that way, or you can go this way. So it doesn't really matter. And then stand it up, and there you go. Look at that. Shaking the table, it's not rocking back and forth. Simple accessory. Look at that. Okay, now the other one, bought this. This is the multi-use magnetic mount for the OSMO Pocket 3. I bought this because I figured, when I'm filming out there in the field and I want to have like creative angles, and there's a metal building or a metal pole or anything, metal surfaces, I can just place it on that and it'll stick and get some creative angles. So let's get this box open and see what this actually looks like. Alright, it comes with this right here. This is the main thing right here. This is the magnetic mount. Comes with 3 magnets. 1, 2, 3. I'm not sure. Maybe this is so that way if you have a metal surface, you want to just stick that on there and it'll be permanently on there, and then you just stick it on like that. That's what I'm gonna assume that these are what those things are for. But the magnet's actually right in here. Okay, and in order to get this thing open, you would need to use this switch, and then opens up like that. This is the magnet right here, so you put it on the magnetic surface and boom, you're having crazy cool angles. Alright, to open it and to put the OSMO Pocket 3 inside, you gotta turn around here. This is the clamp. Just open it up that way and voila. Alright, let's check it out. Let's fit it in like so. Like that. Make sure it's within its designated hole. Get that clamp in there. Latch it on and boom, done. And again, you just put this on any magnetic surface. And I think, from what I gather, it's probably better if you use a smaller the smaller base, so that way it won't stick out as much right here. If you try to put it on the magnetic surface, you can only go so far with the angle. So if you were to use this, you could probably go farther with some kind of creative angle. But yeah, this is it. Pretty simple, basic accessories, but I think it's going to really come in handy. Look at that. Oh, it comes with also an Allen wrench. So if you wanted to loosen these up, you can. So just use that to loosen it up. I think it's fine. Well, those are two accessories that I think you should have in your bag for the OSMO Pocket 3. If you wanted to have a creative, creative look for your film, for your videos, definitely get the base and get this thing, the magnetic holder. Alright, appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. And if we look to your right, there should be other playlists right there. And check out some of the videos that I have. I've been filming a lot with the OSMO Pocket 3. If you guys want to check out the quality of the videos, check it out. Alright, thank you for watching.